Today we are going to discuss about practical nursing important questions. So let's start. Question number 1. Lead rubber aprons are used in OT when the following equipment is used. Correct answer is image intensifier. Question 2. A principle of good body mechanics include which of the following concepts? Answer is maintaining a wide base of support and bending at the knees. Question number 3. Which type of enema is used to provide relief for the client who suffers gaseous distension? Correct answer is 4th, carminative enema. Question number 4. How does adding salt in the ice cap help in dry cold application? Correct answer is lower melting point. Why 2 layers of cloth of equal thickness provide a warmer covering than a single layer of cloth with double thickness? Correct answer is option 2, because of air encapsulated between 2 layers. Question number 6. Rhythmic waxing and waning of respiration is called. Option 3, kind stroke respiration. Question number 7. To avoid an error while measuring blood pressure, the nurse should. Correct option is read at eye level. Question number 8. The person who becomes short of breath with little exertion, such as when eating a meal, has what kind of respiratory condition? Correct option is 4, dyspnea. Question number 9. An abnormal condition in which a patient uses multiple pillows when recycling to breathe easier or sits leaning forward with arms elevated. Correct answer is orthopnea. Question number 10. The type of fever in which the temperature fluctuates more than 2 degrees Celsius, all above normal during 24 hours period is. Correct option is 2nd, re-emittent fever. Question number 11. A hypothermic neonate is airlifted from snowing Glumberg and is admitted to the NICU. The attending nurse is asked to record the core temperature by the attending doctor while he is busy resuscitating another child. Which area would be most accurate for the core temperature? Correct answer is option 4, tympanic membrane. Question number 12. The thermometer in which the result is seen within 45 seconds is. Correct option first is correct, electronic thermometer. Question number 13. Which of the following is considered the 5th vital sign in the emergency department? Correct option 4, pupillary reaction to light. Question number 14. An infant born with non-communicating hydrocephalus has just had a ventriculoperitoneal shunt inserted. In addition to conduct neuromuscular assessment, what measures should the nurse use in child care plan? Correct option is 4, measure head and abdominal circumference. Question number 15. A nurse is teaching a client who has just been diagnosed with primary immunodeficiency disease. Which of the following is key point to include the teaching? Correct option 3rd, strict hygiene and regular healthcare visit are crucial. Question number 16. Retention of sodium in the body leads to. Correct answer is water retention. Question number 17. A client is receiving an intravenous infusion of immunoglobulin IVIG. The nurse understands that this treatment is used to. Correct answer is provide passive immunity. Question number 18. The principal plasma protein responsible for exerting colloidal osmotic pressure is. Correct answer is albumin. Question number 19. All the following are good source of vitamin A except. Correct answer is white potatoes. Which cells are primarily responsible for the presentation of antigen to cell? T cells. Correct answer is dendrite cell. Question number 21. Which of the following advice is appropriate for a mother who refuses to immunize her baby? Correct answer is vaccines will prevent disease. Question number 22. A nurse is teaching a client about the function of a spleen. Which statement about the spleen is correct? Correct answer is it filters blood and help fight infections. Question number 23. A client has undergone an organ transplant and is prescribed cyclosporin. The nurse explained that the purpose of this medication is to. Correct option is prevent organ rejection. Question number 24. Treatment of bipolar mood disorder include except. Correct answer is aversion therapy. Question number 25. The nurse administer the Montauk's test to check for tuberculosis exposure. Which type of hypersensitivity reaction is this test based on? Correct answer is type 4 delayed type hypersensitivity. Question number 26. A nurse is teaching a group of clients about the importance of hand hygiene in preventing infections. Which component of the immune system does hand hygiene directly support? Correct answer is second, innate immunity. A nurse is preparing to administer a vaccine to a 4-year-old child. Which statement about vaccine is correct? Correct option third. Vaccine stimulates the production of memory cell. Question number 28. Which of the following disease is characterized by autoimmune destruction of myelin sheath? Correct answer is third, multiple sclerosis. What is the main function of thymus in the immune system? Correct answer is maturation of T lymphocytes. Which type of hypersensitivity reaction involve IgE antibody and is associated with conditions such as urticaria and anaphylaxis? Correct answer is type 1. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.